Hi friends, my name is Aditi, and in today's class, let's talk about some exciting tips to impress your IELTS examiner during the speaking test. Good IELTS score in your speaking test can help you lift your overall IELTS score. It is therefore crucial that you impress your examiner during the speaking test. Let's be real, IELTS speaking test is not a cakewalk for everybody. It's a daunting task, it can scare you. But regardless, go ahead and take your IELTS test. There is nothing to worry about. So long, we're here to support you, celebrate you, and hoot for you. And don't forget, you can even reach out to us for your IELTS test prep. First of all, be direct with your answers. When the examiner asks you the question, be direct with all your answers. Make sure that speaking part 1 and speaking part 2 has a different need and approach in terms of time. So don't give out too little information and also don't cook out a whole new story. For example, if the examiner asks you about your favorite color, try to keep your answer precise. But for speaking part 2, try to give the answer in 3 to 4 lines, but avoid getting a lengthy, messy answer. The second point, brush up your verbal presentation skills. Support your answers with a sound reasoning and an adequate amount of details. But be careful the way you present your answers. Please do not take too much of your time for the answers. Stop talking for a while and let the examiner go ahead with the next question. This point is crucial because it can directly affect your speaking score, which will have a more considerable impact on your overall IELTS band. The third point, work on your body language. Improve your body language and dress decently. I would say formally for your speaking test. These are two things that create a non-verbal impression on your examiner. Your personality is important to make an impression. Let's take up an example for the speaking test. What kind of a place is your hometown? Pause the video for a few seconds and answer it. Remember, not too short and not too long. Okay, let's answer the question. Let us assume the candidate's answer went like, I belong to Mumbai, the city of dreams, it's significant, and there are many diverse people and businesses there, and the city never sleeps at night. Take a pause. Carefully observe the answer. The first line of the response provides an exact detail to the examiner, while the other line works as a supporting detail. Be precise with the answer and the details. If possible, try to follow this pattern. Mention a direct response with the supporting details. It makes your answer much more meaningful. The fourth point, always keep the conversation interesting. Avoid using monotonous reasoning. Keep it interesting and capture the interest of the examiner. Practice your English words well. Pronunciation lets you go a long way. The fifth point, avoid exaggerating your English accent. Be fluent with your native English accent. Avoid using any mock-up accent that never goes well. Nothing comes easy to anyone. Practice your speaking skills and polish it nicely before you enter your IELTS speaking test. And remember, confidence is the key. That's all for today's class, folks. If you want more information on IELTS test, please do reach out to us. Also, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Leverage Edu for more educational content around test preps and study abroad. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get your notifications whenever we upload a video for you. Alright, that's for today and see you next time.